Still wasting hours dialing numbers one by one? Switch to Calilio's Power Dialer and make rapid-fire call. First, head on straight to the Power Dialer from the navigation panel on the left-hand side of your screen. You will be redirected to this interface as an admin, where you would need to import a comma-separated values file, that is, the list of numbers you want to make consecutive calls to, from this button. So click on it. You can download and view an example from right here, which will let you know how to arrange the data. Now enter the file name and upload the documents. Click on Upload, and once your documents have been verified, it will appear in this section. After you have set up a number list, you can now run calling campaigns. For that, click on Campaign, then hit the Create New button. In the first field, type your campaign name. Then, import your number list. Select the import list that you just uploaded, give it a description, and select the number. Assign the campaign either by team or member, and choose either team member or a team. Select a disposition. Now on the right hand panel, you have the call settings. Firstly, the preview duration. It is the time agents get to view contact details before a call. And then set the post call duration, which is the time given to wrap up notes or select dispositions after each call. Click on Save, and there you will have it. Now in this section, you can see which campaigns are active. You can also pause and resume campaigns from the campaign section here, by clicking on the three-dotted menu. In this section, you can create your own dispositions. You can do so from the Create New button, as you can see. And going more into the active session, here is where you can see all the campaign productivity statistics. Live calls, failed calls, connected calls, etc. And that's it for Power Dialer. Hope you found this video helpful, and follow us for more Calilio content. Thanks for watching.